Frustrated with the Binary Kit's ZPL Labelary module DLL pop-up blocking ZPL Label Rendering Labelary API? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic repair to get things running smoothly again. To start fixing Binary Kit's ZPL Labelary module manually, you can also consider the official maintenance toolkit for a more stable system state. This is the Binary Kit's ZPL Labelary module, a specialized .NET library that manages the conversion of Zebra programming language, ZPL code, into label images. It is a mandatory requirement for hundreds of shipping and inventory tools. If missing, the app will report printer communication failure, preventing label generation. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. Binary Kit's Java ZPL Labelary belongs to ZPL Label Rendering Labelary API bundle. Performing a full reinstall of the latest version of ZPL Label Rendering Labelary API will restore this file and related components. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Binary Kit's ZPL Labelary module component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Manual intervention with Binary Kit's ZPL Labelary module DLL is technically dangerous because it risks overwriting newer, secure system libraries with older vulnerable versions that lack modern security patches. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. If registry clutter or Binary Kit's ZPL Labelary module inconsistencies are suspected, the maintenance tool below offers general documentation. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing Binary Kit's ZPL Labelary module from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.